Welcome students. Today we'll study Class 6 Maths R.D. Sharma Chapter 2 Part 2 Playing with Numbers. Okay. First part we have already seen in the previous video. The link of that video is given in the description. You just go through that video first, then see the part 2. Okay. So let us start playing with numbers. Chapter 2 Playing with Numbers Part 2. Okay, let us see some definitions. Even numbers. What is an even number? A number which is a multiple of 2 is called an even number. Okay. What? Any number which is a multiple of 2. Okay. It is called even number. For example, 2. 2 is a multiple of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 is equal to 2 into 1. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 8 is equal to 2 into 4. So, any number which is multiple of 2 is called an even number. Okay, clearly a number is even if it is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 is always a factor of even number. Okay, if it is divisible means 2 is always a factor of even number. And always also remember 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Next is odd numbers. What is an odd number? A number which is not a multiple of 2. Okay. These numbers are not a multiple of 2. When you will divide these numbers by 2, you will not get the remainder 0 because these numbers are not a multiple of 2. Okay. For example, 3 is there. We will divide 3. 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder. So, 3 is not a multiple of 2. Okay. Similarly, other numbers. Okay. So, these are not multiples of 2. So, these are odd numbers. You can see these numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on it will go. Okay, every prime number except 2 is an odd number. You can see all these numbers are odd numbers. Okay, all these numbers are odd numbers. So we'll learn prime numbers later. Then we will see all the prime numbers except 2 are the odd numbers only. Now perfect numbers. Let us see one example. 6. Okay, the factors of 6 we can find out. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, 6 is equal to 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. When we will sum these factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, we get the result 12, which is 2 multiplied by the number itself. Okay, 2 multiplied by the number itself. Similarly, let us see one more example. 28. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay, we can find it out and we'll sum these factors. We get the result 56, which is twice of the number itself. Twice of 28, twice of number itself. Okay. So, the numbers for which the sum of its factors is equal to twice the number. Sum of the factors is twice of the number. Sum of the factors is twice of the number itself. These types of numbers are called perfect numbers. Okay. Next is prime numbers. What is a prime number? Okay, very important. The number other than 1. Okay, other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. Okay, a number whose factors are 1 and the number itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. 1 is not a prime number. Okay. For example, let us see the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Factors of 3. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Factors of 5. 1 and 5. Factors of 7. 1 and 7. Okay. So these are having factors 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Okay. So these are called prime numbers. Okay, the number 1 has only one factor. Okay, the number 1 has only one factor, that is the number itself. So it is not a prime number. Okay, that's why 1 is having 1 is equal to 1 into 1, it is having only one factor 1. So it is not a prime number. Next is composite numbers. Okay, what are composite numbers? Any number having more than two factors. Prime numbers we have seen two factors only, the number itself and 1. Okay, if more than two factors are there in any number, we call this number composite number. For example, factors of 4. Okay, what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, we can find it out. These are the factors of these number. We can find out for more numbers also. Okay, these factors are having more than two factors. Okay, so these numbers are called composite numbers. Okay, always remember, number 1 has only one factor, that is the number itself. So it is neither prime nor composite because it is having only one factor. That's why it is neither prime nor composite. So remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is the smallest prime number, and 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. Rest all prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay, now we can find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, we can check it out. We can find, and what are the prime numbers between 1 to 100? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Okay, these are the prime numbers. These are having factors 1 and this number itself only. Okay, so these are prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, these are total 25 prime numbers. Okay, there are total 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Next is twin primes. Okay, we have seen the prime numbers. What are twin primes? A prime number having difference of 2. If two prime numbers are having a difference of 2, we call it twin primes. Okay, for example, 3 and 5 there is a difference of 2, 5 and 7 there is a difference of 2, 11 and 13 there is a difference of 2, 17 and 19 there is a difference of 2. So these numbers are called twin primes. Okay, next is co-primes. Okay, two numbers are said to be co-primes if they have no common factor other than 1. Two numbers, here these are not specifically prime numbers, two numbers, any two numbers are said to be co-primes if they have no common factor other than 1. They will have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, let us see examples 2 and 3. 2 is equal to 2 into 1, only two factors 2 and 1. 3 is having only two factors 3 and 1. So what is the common between the two? Only 1. Okay, only 1 is the common factors. That's why these are co-primes. Okay, 3 and 4 are co-primes. Look, this is an even number. Okay, then also these are co-primes. Okay, that's why any two numbers can be co-primes if they are having common factor other than 1. Look, 14 and 15. 14's factor are 2 and 7. 15's factor are 5 and 3. Okay, 1, 5, 3 and 15. Okay, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay, what is the common factor? Only 1 is the common factor. Okay, similarly other number also. Okay, other numbers also, the only common factor is 1. So these numbers are co-primes. Two co-primes need not be the prime numbers. It is not necessary that co-prime numbers can be a prime number. Okay. Yes, in the example 14 and 15, both are not the prime numbers. Now there is a rule to check whether a number between 100 to 200 is prime or not. Okay, what is that rule? Check if the given number is divisible by any prime number less than 15. Okay, if the number is divisible by any prime number less than 15. What are the prime numbers less than 15? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Then if it is divisible, okay, then it is not prime. Otherwise, it is a prime number. Okay, let us see the two numbers 117 and 139. Okay, now 117, 13 nines are 117, and also when we will divide 117 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 7, 3 9s are 27. Okay, remainder is 0, so it is divisible 3 into 39. Okay, so 117 is divisible by 3 also, 117 is divisible by 13 also. Okay, it is divisible by the prime numbers 3 and 13 which are less than 15. Okay, so it is not a prime number. Next check, let us check 139. Okay, we will see 139. Okay, divide by 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 9, 2 9s are 18. Okay, remainder is 1. It is not divisible. Like this, you will see 139 is not divisible by any prime numbers less than 15. Okay, we'll check. We can check it out. It is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So, we can say 139 is a prime number. Now there is a rule to check a number between 100 to 400 also, whether it is a prime number or not. Okay, what is the rule? If it is divisible by any prime number less than 20. Okay, what are the prime numbers less than 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. If a number is divisible by any of these prime numbers, okay, then it is not a prime number. Otherwise, it is a prime number. Okay. Let us see one example 323. Okay, 323 we will see 323. It can be divisible by 17. Okay, 17 ones are 17, 153, 17 nines are 153. Remainder is 0. So we can say 323 is equal to 17 into 19. So 17 and 19 with both numbers it is divisible. Okay, so it is not a prime number. And these 17 and 19 are less than prime numbers below 20. Okay, so this number is not a prime number. Let us see another example 277. Okay, we will see 277. We can divide it by any number. So 277, let us see divided by 11. 11 2s are 22, 5 7, 11 5s are 55. Okay, we'll get the remainder 2. Like this, we will divide it by every number below 20. These prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. We can see this is not divisible by any of these numbers. So we can say 277 is a prime number. Okay. So we can follow these rules to check whether a number is prime number or not.